for the day. Let's quickly go to Mangalam and deep dive a little more in those Dabur numbers. So, Mangalam, I think they primed the market really well, but what do you make of the internals?
Well, the internals are definitely soft, but a couple of positive points coming in from Dabur's numbers as well. You know, there were two reasons why the revenues were lower this time around. One was because beverage was impacted by unseasonal rains and flooding. Second part is they were correcting that inventory. But having said that, the secondary sales in the quarter increased by 2%, so that is a mild positive. Badshah grew by about 15%, and the volume decline wasn't as much as the street feared. It was 7.5% as against expectations of 8 to 10%. But just on the reported numbers, you know, be it the revenue, be it the EBITDA or the net profit, all of them have missed street expectations, and on a year-on-year basis as well, there has been a bit of a decline. The company hasn't curtailed on any of the ad spends, so that's a positive. And the stock had already seen a correction of about 12.5 to 13% over the last 1 month or so, basis the Q2 update that had come by, and as a result of which, we are seeing a bit of a relief in the stock price from those lows itself. The reported numbers are softer than street expectations, with a few streaks of positive news coming in terms of secondary sales, and more importantly, them not having announced any sort of rollback in ad spends as well. And as we speak, the company has also announced an acquisition. They'll go ahead and acquire the hair oil business of Sesa. We'll just get a little more details on that one. As we get that, that should also be good for the company, given its recent run of having acquired a few companies like Badshah, etc., and growing them. Badshah itself grew by about 15%. So reported numbers soft, few internals which are positive. Second half and management commentary would be crucial to track. The stock had already corrected, so seeing a bit of a relief.
All right, Mangalam, thanks a lot for that. Moral of the story, keep everyone prepared. If something's going wrong, tell them in advance. The stock is up close to around 2% or thereabouts. Well, today was the day when